Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today, I am only about a mile or so from WireCrafters, and this is the neighborhood that I grew up in. So this is the happy birthday sign because the happy birthday song was written right up this hill, and I'll take you there in a moment. Okay, so we're up here now. It is called the Old Loom House. Today, they will bring different classes from different schools, and they'll come up here and they'll weave things in the old loom houses up here. But at one time, this is where the Hill Sisters had their kindergarten classes. And in the mornings, they would start off and they would sing to the kids, "Good morning to you, good morning to you." Well, one day it was one of the kids' birthday, and they said, well, let's change it up a little bit. And they made it, "Happy birthday to you." And that's where it all began. And for many years, you could not put that song without paying rights to it on TV or in the movies or at a restaurant. They couldn't sing it unless they paid the rights to the song. But because there's no more descendants, all of that went away about 10 years ago. So that's the history of the birthday song, right here about a mile down the road from WireCrafters. That's all we have this week. We'll get back next week with another episode of Mondays with Milt.